Hey guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode, check out the link above. You don't want to miss How To Tuesday. I save you time, I save you money, and I feature some pretty cool products from the world of automotive and motorsports. But today, I'm going to teach you how to reverse park. Why? Because it's the easiest way to park. It's my favorite way to park when you're in a public parking lot. So pay attention because I'm about to change your life. Okay guys, like I said, I'm about to show you the easiest trick of how to reverse park. I'm going to park right here. All you have to do moving forward is count 3 parking spots. 1, 2, 3. I have some beautiful product placement for you. You're going to line up the front edge of your bumper to the edge of the yellow line. If you're a small car or regular size sedan like me, you're going to be half a car's length away from your fellow drivers. And if you're a larger truck, well, maybe you're going to be another 2 feet further. So that's it. That's my simple trick, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. I'm going to park here. You line up the front end of your bumper 3 spots forward. That's it. Keep watching. Okay guys, you've just entered a public parking lot. I've already indicated where I'm going to be parking. That is on the left-hand side. I'm going to approach slowly with my turn signal on. It allows my fellow drivers around me to know, hey, I'm going to be parking there so they don't take your spot. You're going to line up the edge of your front bumper to that yellow line. You're in reverse, turn signal is still on. If you're parking on the right-hand side, well then, common sense, your turn signal is on the right-hand side. But constantly looking around you and make sure you're not gonna hit any fellow drivers or pedestrians. You're going to reverse nice and slowly. You don't even need your throttle pedal for this. Your wheel is turned all the way to the left. You're going slowly, constantly looking around you. As you enter your parking spot, you're going to unwind the wheel slowly and continue to reverse. If you're fortunate enough to have a reverse camera, well, back up until it tells you to stop. If you do not have a reverse camera, no big deal. Use the yellow lines around you. They'll help to guide you to see how far you're going to go back. And here's a tip. If you have a hitch, don't forget you have a hitch, because I've seen people actually run into other cars behind them because they forget that they have a hitch. But that's it. The easiest way to park, the simplest, the safest, especially when you're in a public parking spot, because when you go to leave, you can see your fellow drivers passing you a lot sooner. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss How To Tuesdays or Feature Car Friday. Thanks, guys.